welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precise ratios ensure Pepsi's consistent taste worldwide.
Temperature spiked to 300, normalizing now.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate to compensate. All green on mixture ratios.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pepsi is made, from start to finish.